Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a little bit on the cuckoo side, really weird. For 365 days, oh my gosh, I'm almost 2 months into this. Wow, that's crazy. 60 days, I'm almost like just over 300 days. Anyways, let's talk about today's topic. It's an emotional topic. It's about music. Lots of music topics to talk about this month. And this particular topic today is all about how music has the power to heal. Pretty dope. I mean, for real dope. That's pretty sick. And it's true. How many times have you had like kind of a crummy day and you get in the car, you're going home from work, and you put on some music to either kind of calm your nerves, soothe you out, USA, get things kind of just a little more zened out or a little more party zone. That's healing. For real though. Wow. It really is. For me, because every day is just perfect in my world. Not even close. I would have to say that it varies. If I feel like I'm being spiritually attacked, I will listen to some elevation music. I feel really fortunate I got the opportunity to see on YouTube and on TV when it was live, the elevation music New Year's Eve special from back in 2020, I think is what it was. Yeah, 2020. When I got the OG version of COVID. And just I love listening to music. It just really uplifts me. What about you? What do you listen to? And do you feel that music has the power to heal? Let me know what you think downstairs in the Kilt Zone. Share, comment, do those fun things. Iron sharpens iron. And I'd like to check out what you guys listen to as well and what your thoughts are on music. And that's kind of it. It's a bit of a short one, so let's wrap it up. Yeah. So that's it, and this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. And until next time, remember to do something. Oh, and if you're a subscriber, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Yay! If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, follow, like, comment, share, and hit the bell for notifications. Ding dong, send a raven. And until next time, remember to do something properly. You know what it is. Oh yeah. Stay caffeinated. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.